Hi students, so welcome to the next session 19. Today we'll discuss next problems. And to fourth one, previous class we discussed three problems. How to find adjoint of a matrix. Now verify A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. We need to verify this condition of the following matrices. The given fourth question like this: 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Now, for example, assume this is a matrix. For this, we need to verify this statement. Now, condition wise, what is A is given. Find det A value. Det of 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. 2 into minus 6, minus 12, minus 4 into 3. Total what will get here? Minus 4 into 3. It is a plus minus 12, minus or minus plus 12. Determinant value we got 0. Det A value. Now, we need to find adjoint A. We know how to find adjoint A for 2 by 2 matrix. Interchange the diagonal elements and change sign for non-diagonal elements. Minus 3 and minus or minus plus 1. Now, I am taking the statement here A into adjoint A. The value A into adjoint A. A matrix what here? 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Into adjoint A what? Minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Multiply these two matrices. First row with first column. 2 into minus 6, minus 12, 3 into 4 plus 12. Next 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 3 to 6. Second row with first column. Minus 4 into minus 6, plus 24. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. Minus 4 into minus 3, plus 12. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. And every element becomes 0. So A adjoint which matrix we got? Null matrix. Now RHS part, whatever is there, RHS what is there here? Det A into I. Det A into I means the value clearly what we get? Det A value clearly 0. In the I matrix you get 0 matrix only. Next you can verify with adjoint A into A also. What is adjoint A matrix? Minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2 into A matrix. 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Multiply these two matrices. What will you get? First row first column. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 4, plus 12. Minus 6 into 3, minus 18. Minus 3 into minus 6, plus 18. Next second row with first column. 4 2s are 8. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into minus 6, minus 12. Again here what you got? All elements are 0 only. Here which matrix? Null matrix. Now this is our two parts. Now coming to det A into I value. Det A clearly 0 into I matrix. So totally which matrix will get? Null matrix only. So all values are satisfied. A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A, that is equal to det A into I. Simple way to prove this statement. For 2 by 2, similarly can verify with for 3 by 3 also. Now next question, fifth one, same we need to verify. But here 3 by 3 matrix. Everyone try. 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2, 1 0 3. In previous session we discussed how to find adjoint A for the 3 by 3 matrix also. You can do like that by finding the cofactors. I'll have to try this one to verify this statement. Next models are find the inverse of matrices, inverse of each matrices if it exists. from 6 to 12 questions. From 6 onwards, one number will got extra as per the textbook. I given in previous session one question extra. 6 to 12 all questions we need to find the inverse of the matrix if it is exist. When inverse is exist, if that A is not equal to 0, when it is a non-singular matrix, well, it is possible that is equal to 0, we are not able to find the inverse of the matrix. Coming to sixth one, the matrix is given like this: 2 minus 2, 4, 3. How to find this one? Assume this is A, this is A matrix. Find the first at A. To check inverse is possible or not, based on that A only we can find. 2 3s are 6 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus or minus plus 8. So how much? 14 is not equal to 0. Then A inverse is exist. And is equal to 0 does not exist. Now to find A inverse, we know formula already 1 by delta A into adjoint A. I am finding adjoint A now. How to find adjoint A for 2 by 2? Interchanging diagonals. 3, 2. Change sign for this 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2, 4 becomes minus 2. Now I am writing A inverse matrix. What? 1 by delta A into adjoint A. 1 by what is delta A value? 14. Into adjoint A matrix what? 3, 2 minus 4, 2. 1 means we can divide this 14 inside. For matrix we need to apply for every element. What? 3 by 14, 2 by 14, minus 4 by 14, 2 by 14. If we simplify this, what will you get? 3 by 14, 2 1s are 2 7s are 1 by 7, 2 2s are 2 7s, total minus 2 by 7, 2 1s are 2 7s are 1 by 7. This is the A inverse matrix. How to verify this correct or wrong? This A inverse just multiply with A matrix. If you got additive matrix, then this is the correct value. Seventh one, allow to try. Same 2 by 2 matrix only. Minus 1, 5. Minus 3, 2. Here to try this question. How to find the inverse of matrix for 2 by 2. All have understood how to find this one. Coming to this is all about just 2 by 2. Now we will discuss 3 by 3 models. Finding inverse. For 3 by 3, how to find the inverse of the matrix. 8th one. The matrix is given 1 2 3, 0 2 4, 0 0 5. Let assume this is A matrix. Now, that A value. Let me how to find that. Now 1 into. By deleting its row and column, because I am expanding along C1 is better. Reason along C1 if you expand, you get directly the required value. Now deleting its row and column, remaining what 2 5s are 10 minus 0. Next C1, you have sign plus minus plus. Minus 0 plus 0. Total get here value how much we got here? 10. It's clearly not equal to 0. But that A value not equal to 0, then A inverse is exist. Otherwise, no need to find adjoint A value. See this case. Now, we need adjoint A for 3 by 3 means how to find? We need to find the cofactors. Cofactors means first we need to find each element cofactor. First, this is the element first column. Symbol is A11. Sign is plus. By deleting its row and column, remaining elements 2 4 0 5. 10 minus 0, that is 10 clearly. A12, sign is minus, but deleting its row and column. This is the element 1 2 means first row second column. Delete its first row second column, remaining 0 4 0 5. 0 4 0 5 means the value get 0 only. Next A13, what is the sign here? Plus. Now plus sign, deleting its row and column, what? 0 2 0 0. What's the value? 0. Next A21, sign is minus clearly. By deleting second row first column, this is second row first column, 2 3 0 5. 2 3 0 5 is a minus of 10 minus 0. What's the value? Minus 10. Next A22, what's the sign? Plus. Into deleting its row and column, determinant value we need to consider. Second row second column deleted, remaining 1 3 0 5. 1 3 0 5. Plus of 5 minus 0. It's clearly what value? 5. Next, coming to A2, 3. Second row, third column. What is the sign here? Minus. Second row, third column. Remaining 1, 2, 0, 0. Now 1, 2, 0, 0 means here what? 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Total 0 only will be. Next, A3, 1. What is the sign? Plus. Plus is a sign here. Clearly into delta of. By deleting third row, first column, remain 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Plus of 2 4s are 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 what? 2 8. Next, A3, 2. Sign is minus clearly. By deleting third row, second column. Third row, second column, remaining 1, 3, 0, 4. 1, 3, 0. Minus of 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. Next, A3, 3. Sign is plus into delta of. Third row, third column, delete remaining 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. Plus of 2 minus 0, that is clearly 2. Now I am writing adjoint A matrix. Repeated so many models, adjoint A. How to find adjoint A? First row cofactors are what? A11, A12, A13 into first column. 10, 0, 0. Second row cofactors right into second column. A21, A22 minus 10, 5 and A23 is 0. Third row cofactors into third column. It is found adjoint directly. 2 minus 4, 2. Now we know formula of A inverse. What? 1 by delta A into adjoint A. That is a formula. Just substitute the values. 1 by 10. 10 by value, delta A value. Into adjoint A matrix what? What you got here? 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5, minus 4, 0, 0, 2. You want me to divide inside 10 value, otherwise you will leave like that only, no problem. This is a finding inverse of the matrix for 3 by 3. The same model you can try with your homework. The method is same. How to find inverse of the matrix. Homework. Here on try 9th question. Same finding inverse only. 1 0 0 3 3 0 5 2 minus 1. 10th one. 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1. One thing you have to remember. If delta A value is 0 directly, A inverse does not exist. You no need to do further steps. Just you have to stop there only. If delta A not equal to 0 only, A inverse is possible to find. Next, 11th one. 1 minus 1, 2. 0, 2 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 4. 12th question. 1 0 0. 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. Don't think this is a difficult question. It's also the same model only. You can try it. As for the elements, find delta A value remaining. These are 4 homework questions. You will try how to find inverse of the matrix. I have not done clearly the elements and find inverse of the matrix. Coming to next one, question number 13. In this exercise, some questions already given homework in previous session, same model questions. Coming to next one, 13. For the matrix, A equal to 3 2 1 1, a and b such that a square, so capital A square, small a into capital A, small b into I equal to 0 matrix. They given already equation. By using that equation, we need to find the small a value and small b value. First, before that, we need a square, capital A square required. Small a into a we can multiply easily. Small b into I also we can multiply easily. Now, first we need to find a square. How to find a square? A into e. 3, 2, 1, 1 into 3, 2, 1. Now, multiply with first row with first column. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2. First row with second column. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Clearly 9 plus 2 11. 8 4 3. This is clearly a square. Take that equation. What they given? Given that a square plus small a into capital A, small b into I equal to null matrix. A square matrix what here? 11, 8, 4, 3 plus small a into capital A. Capital A is a matrix. 3, 2, 1, 1 plus small b into I matrix what? 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to null matrix. Last again. Now it is not required. 11, 8, 4, 3. Small a multiply inside. What will you get? 3a, 2a, a. Small b multiply inside. b, 0, 0, b is equal to, at last you can take 0 matrix means you will get all elements are 0 only. Now we need to add all three matrices because order remains same only for all three matrices. Adding this all three, what will get? 11 plus 3a plus b. Next here 8 plus 2a plus 0. Here 4 plus a plus 0. 3 plus a plus b is equal to null matrix means what will get? 0, 0, 0, 0. When two matrices are equal, orders are same here clearly. When you compare the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements are, for example, I am taking this first element. 11 plus 3a plus b equal to 0. For easy purpose, I will compare this element next to get a value. 4 plus a plus 0 no need to take equal to 0. From this a value how much you will get? Minus 4. If you compare here also a value minus 4 only, no changes in that. This a equal to minus 4 substitute in this equation you will get b value. Now here 11 plus 3 into minus 4 plus b equal to 0. 11 minus 12 plus b equal to 0. Minus 1 plus b equal to 0. B value how much we got here? 1. Simple way to find the small a value and small b value from the given equation.